Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to clean a slot drain. It's much easier to clean than your typical trench drain and far more sanitary. So let's dive right in. Well, not literally of course. Today we're going to clean the 10,000 series. As you can see, the teardrop design means no heavy grates or open trenches to deal with. Now you might be asking yourself, what do I do if I drop something in the drain? Well, let's find out. For this job, we're going to need our cleaning accessories. For dry cleaning, we're going to use the paddle. Insert the paddle into the drain, turn it 90 degrees, and move it along the drain. You'll see it touches all this area inside the drain to clear any debris. Move any solids towards the catch basin, and to remove any waste or to retrieve any lost items, simply remove the strainer basket. Problem solved. For PreRinse, you can use a hot water hose to remove soils from the drain. Or, if you have a flush flow system installed, like we have here, you can turn a water valve or set a timer to flush the drain automatically. And don't worry about it overflowing. The 10,000 series can hold up to 27 gallons per minute per foot of drain pipe. While the drain is still wet, apply detergent, let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Take the scrubber and clean the top of the drain. And just like the paddle, we'll insert the scrubber and use it to clean the inside of the drain too. Again, we're going to flush the drain and with the proper protection equipment, apply some sanitizer. And we're done. Everything is incredibly clean. We didn't have to deal with any heavy grates or open trenches, and just imagine how much dirt and bacteria we removed. I hope this video answered all of your questions. If not, please go to slotdrainsystems.com for more information.